First we're going to remove the non-drive side end cap. We got the I9 tool here. Slide the tool through to remove the drive side end cap. Give it a little tap. That pulls off the drive side end cap. And then basically the Freehub will just pull off. So you want to, I usually angle it just to keep the pawls in place. Basically I'll just wipe this off a little bit. And the Freehub's clean as well. If it was really dirty, you'd want to pop out each pawl. The more oil you have in it is going to quiet the Freehub down, and the less you have is going to make it louder. When you get the Freehub off, sometimes the pawls will shift a little bit when you pull it off, so sometimes they'll be kind of half out. Sometimes they'll even come right out, as well as the little spring underneath it. That's the spring there in the pawl, so they just come right out. Sometimes they'll fall into the drive ring, or they'll just come out when you pull it off. So, and especially if the hub is needing a service. First we'll pop the spring back in. There's a little spot for the spring to sit. And then the pawl basically slides in. You gotta push the spring back as you slide the pawl down. And obviously you want to make sure the teeth on the pawl are sticking out and not the other way. And then this is Dumont Tech Freehub oil. That's what we use. We'll just kind of run the oil around the pawls. Put a little bit in the drive ring. So yeah, you can tell it's a little bit quieter with more oil. Yeah, basically you can just pop on your non-drive side end cap. And then for the drive side, because the O-ring got damaged from removing it, you'll want to replace that. Pops into place, and you're good to go.